Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Minder. Would you rather junk food versus healthy food? Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready? Let's go! Would you rather veggie burger or Big Mac? Would you rather fruit waffles or chocolate waffles? Would you rather coffee or hot chocolate? Would you rather steamed dumplings or fried dumplings? Would you rather vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream? Would you rather apple or apple pie? Would you rather bruschetta or pizza? Would you rather sushi or hot dog? Would you rather muffins or cupcakes? Would you rather tiramisu or cheesecake? Would you rather sweet potato fries or Wendy fries? Would you rather dark chocolate or Hershey's chocolate? Would you rather steak or burger? Would you rather banana or banana bread? Would you rather boiled eggs or fried eggs? Would you rather chicken salad or chicken sandwich? Would you rather cheese corn or grilled corn? Would you rather blueberries or blueberry pie? Would you rather onion rings or cheese balls? Would you rather avocado toast or French toast? Would you rather M&M's cookies or M&M's? Would you rather yogurt cake or chocolate cake? Would you rather banana chips or Pringles? Would you rather whole grain bread or white bread? Would you rather fruits or candy? Would you rather vegetable pizza or pepperoni pizza? Would you rather protein bar or chocolate bar? Would you rather dark chocolate or milk chocolate? Would you rather strawberries or marshmallows? Would you rather Coca-Cola or Coca-Cola Diet? Would you rather fruit salad or banana split? Would you rather salted popcorn or caramel popcorn? Would you rather fruit pancakes or chocolate pancakes? Would you rather vegetable chips or Cheetos? Would you rather strawberry or strawberry pie? Would you rather honey or Nutella? Would you rather hot flakes or cereals? Would you rather tomato juice or chocolate milkshake? Would you rather fruit tacos or beef tacos? Would you rather toffee apple or cotton candy? Would you rather grilled fish or fish nuggets? Would you rather lemonade or Fanta lemon? Would you rather orange or donut? Would you rather baked potato or hot wings? Would you rather fried rice or biryani? Would you rather spring rolls or names? Would you rather orange juice or Fanta? Would you rather lava cake or cookies? Would you rather green tea or milk tea? Would you rather ketchup or mayonnaise? Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Quizminder channel for more fun challenges like this. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.